Oh, right. This Judge is your Lawnmower man. Handyman Jose Reyes.
Hey guys.
And the Godfather. Jesus, my Lord and Savior. And right now, Handyman Jose's got his like. Look at this now. Look at this technology Handyman's got. And he also got a monster tripod. Like he wanted to get a tripod. You want to get a tripod like mine. It's about this tall. But how big is your tripod?
Stupid 20-foot tripod.
Handyman Jose's got a 20-foot tripod. It's taller than this trailer right here. Godfather, what do you think?
Stupid.
20-foot trailer. I mean, I'm sorry. A 20-foot tripod he got. Yeah, okay. Hey, what do you think there, Trouble?
It's stupid.
Gilbert, what do you think?
That is the most retarded thing.
And don't forget Donkey.
Donkey.
Donkey and Mr. Gilbert right here.
Do they talk to each other when you
Yes, and so is Turtle, and that's my lawn care crew right there for the future. It's Judge Lawnmower man with his crew right here. Well, you got the, yep, and they talk to each other too, and they talk to me too, you know, and they talk to Godfather. Yeah. Wait, what?
Chili.
Oh, chili. You want me to cook? Where's the chili at? Oh. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do a hard thing like called cooking. Okay. This right here?
This is, yep.
Alright, let's see. Damn it. Godfather, you're killing me. This is hard work. What do I do?
You open the top. Yep.
I'm opening the top.
Okay.
Okay.
Open the micro.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright. Put it inside the micro.
Alright, we put it inside the microwave oven.
For
Right.
1 minute. Just press number 1. There it is.
There it is! Son of a gun, I am cooking.
A professional.
A professional cook, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to ever do this again. That's too much work. Too much work. Donkey, you guys gonna cook next time. Okay, Gilbert's gonna. Yeah, he's my. Yeah. Hey, Godfather, say a bad word.
Oh shit. There it is.
Because I with Gilbert, yeah, Copa might get me. So if you say a bad word, it's considered an adult channel.
Oh, so that's fucking great.
Oh, great, thank you. keep on coming with the bad words. I don't want to get in trouble with Copa. No, not too much discussion. Just some swear words, you know.
My God.
The humanity, yep, of it all. But yeah, this is my lawn crew right there. Donkey and Gilbert and all them. Okay, are you happy, Godfather? I have slayed myself over the stove here. Alright. Okay. Alright. You need a spoon?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, where's your spoon at, Godfather? I have slayed, ladies and gentlemen. I have made this, working hard, making this chili here.
That chili took you how many days?
I have killed myself. That was.
With your fingers?
I'm looking for. You don't have a spoon, Jack. You have nothing in the tray. Gotta be watching. Yeah, it's dirty. I gotta clean it.
It's like 20 spoons in there,
Where? Alright, it's good enough. There you go, Godfather.
Oh, don't worry. We can't see your chicken legs here.
Stephanie was aware that Melinda.
Okay, well, now, if you wanted cooking lessons, don't go for me, but I have slayed myself cooking this meal for the Godfather. And this JoJo Lawnmower man. I'll catch you guys later. See you guys later. Bye. Jose.
See you guys later. God bless you all.
No, thank you.
interest of
Bye, Fiora.
our
Jesus, my Lord and Savior, and God bless you all. Bye.
There it is.